Hello viewers, welcome back to Renka Kitchen. In today's video we are going to be making a homemade remedy for skin and hair irritation. We only need 2 ingredients to get this oil ready. We are going to be making use of spring onions and of course olive oil. Feel free to use coconut oil or any oil of your choice. Bacteria and antifungal properties in spring onions help to prevent and treat scalp infections. You can actually make use of this oil for body massaging. It is completely 5 days that we soaked the spring onions with olive oil. So I'm going to be using steaming method to get the oil ready. Steaming method does not really take much of your time. I'm just going to be steaming it for like 20 minutes. Sieve the oil for the second time to remove any particles. Put the oil into an airtight container for subsequent using. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.